Hey everyone, Denise here from So Limitless, and in today's video I want to talk about this set that I made with Minerva fabric. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise and I want to talk about this set. I got this fabric from Minerva. I am a Minerva brand ambassador, so I was gifted this fabric and it's gorgeous and very easy to work with. So that is what I want to talk to you about today, what I made with this Minerva fabric. Now it is an ITY stretch knit. And if you've ever used ITY knit, it's basically like a four-way stretch. This is also print on demand. So the back side of this is just white and the color is very vibrant. The first thing that I always do when I get a fabric is to wash it. I usually wash in cold water. Personally, I like to use Woolite because it's very gentle as a detergent. And so I wash in cold water and dry it on low heat. And that is what I did with this. There was no fading or anything like that. The fabric stayed very soft, like I said, easy to work with. This is soft and drapey. I knew when I got it what I wanted to make, and the first thing I did was this Simplicity 9336. This is no longer available, sadly. They need to bring this pattern back because this is a skort pattern. It's got a couple of different skirts and some, I guess, like biker shorts in the pattern. But I have actually modified this pattern to make it the way that I like it. I've made it a little bit longer and I have inseam pockets on the side. Sometimes I will put the pocket on the shorts. This time I did not, but it is a fantastic pattern. It is designed for knits. Sometimes you'll find skort patterns that are for woven fabrics. This one is for knits. That is why I like that particular one. It's available on Etsy and places like that, but Simplicity, y'all need to bring this back. It's a great pattern. So that is what the first thing that I did is to make the skort. That is this here. These shorts are attached. That's the nice thing. This is the pocket here. The nice thing about the skort is that the shorts are attached to the skirt itself. It's very easy to put together. It's got a separate waistband, so when you attach the waistband, you're attaching the skirt and the shorts together with all of that. It's actually a very quick project. Now, like I said, I did modify mine. I had made it more of an A-line, so it's more of an A-line skirt. I lengthened it probably 2 or 3 inches just to like above the knee, which is what I wanted. And it's very, very comfortable. I love wearing skirts in the summer in particular because it is a quick and easy way for me to look and feel pulled together more. This set kind of gives the look of a dress, but I like that it is 2 pieces, so that gives a lot more versatility to the entire outfit. It's great for a travel wardrobe. Now, as far as the top is concerned, I used Butterick 6847 and I made view A, which is this one here. I actually used to have this pattern before. It was formerly McCall's 6963. So if you have McCall's 6963, that is the same as Butterick 6847. And you will notice that at least some of those pictures are the same on the cover, just under a different number. Now, the only thing with the top that I found interesting is that with the cowl neck, there's, it's just kind of loose. You tuck it in, and I did not see anything in the directions, in the instructions about securing that. So I thought that was a little odd because I did go back and look through the instructions thinking that I might have missed something, but I don't think that I did because I still haven't seen anything that says anything about securing, at least even on the sides underneath, how so that it's not just flapping, has the ability to flap around. Now, it's nice that it is kind of loose like this because you can at least adjust it so that if you don't want it quite so deep, you can kind of pull it up a little bit and adjust how deep the cowl part of the top is. But it is a very nice top. It was very easy to make. I think I did this probably in about a day. I sewed as much as possible, both of these, on the serger, since they are knits and you don't want those stitches to pull. Now, if you don't have a serger, you would use a zigzag stitch on your regular sewing machine and you would be fine. But I did use the serger 4 threads. That way that locks in those stitches so you have the stretch you need, but nothing's going to pop or come loose, which is very important, of course. So this fabric is a Minerva exclusive ITY stretch knit print on demand in floral jungle. But I will leave a link in the description box to this particular fabric. You can check out the Minerva website. They have all kinds of fabric, and they are in the UK. When I'm here in the US, it took maybe 2 weeks, I would say, for fabric to arrive once it's been sent. So it does not take long at all. Another note, I want to give you information about this pattern, the Butterick 6847. This pattern has so much fit information in it. It's got, it's a Palmer Pletch pattern, and so if you're familiar with that, you know they are very much into the fit, how to get a good fit on your pattern. So in the instructions, it tells you how to do a full bust adjustment and broad back adjustments on here. That's all included in the pattern instructions, which is really helpful. And the pattern pieces themselves actually have the lines. So if you, for example, if you do need to do a full bust adjustment, the lines are already there. In order to do that, they have, it's just some great information. It tells you how to really measure yourself to get a good fit, all of that. So all of that is included in this pattern. It also does include information on how to do a sway back or a flat back adjustment, which is something that you don't often see in a commercial pattern. So lots of great fit information with this pattern. That's the Butterick 6847. And I wanted to make sure that I included that in the video because it can teach you how to do certain fit adjustments so that on your next project, you'll already know what to do and how to do the adjustments, regardless of whatever pattern you're using. So I wanted to make sure to include that information in the video so that you have that and you're aware of that. That is basically this project. As I said, I'm a Minerva brand ambassador, so I was gifted this and I love doing this. And working with them, they're fantastic. But yeah, check out the fabric. Go ahead and please give the video a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload the next time I upload a new video. And I appreciate your time. Thank you all for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.